Hello all. Welcome to the solar panels I've been working on so hard. Basically, this is my solar array. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 24 panels. 230 watts each panel. Roughly 6,000 watts. Here's the actuators that I've been so excited about putting on and making work. The big part has been getting this brace here correct. Drilling holes, getting it mounted right. I use the same brace on the other end. And the actuators do a really good job. The actuators come with a little key fob here. Yeah, that's it right there. Little key fob that will move the actuators. So I got 3 actuators set up. I have 3 actuators set up. Per PV array, and I have 2 arrays, so a total of 6 actuators broken down into 2 key fobs. And so I can adjust the solar panels to the sun, right? Depending on where the sun is. And I can go down here and I can do the same thing with the second array, right? And all of that is currently run by my little Jackery 500 right here, that you can probably see. Yep. I got little connections going into it, and then these are the wireless fobs, but eventually, so my next move is to automate all of this. I'm thinking Arduino. I can set up an Arduino and some relays for like less than 40 bucks on the whole thing to tilt these the way I want them during the day, during the evening, and reset them at night. Also, I'm going to add some electrical stops. So it'll be a switch, a cutout switch. What do they call that? A limit switch. Yeah, a limit switch. So that the actuators don't drive these things into the ground. Right now, I'm doing a physical stop or limit with this 2x4, and it limits how far the arrays will tip down. I don't want them tipping down too far on each side, so I'm trying to put a physical, well, I have a physical stop in right now, and I'll put an electrical stop in shortly. That'll work with the actuators, and then again the Arduino and or the Raspberry Pi for automation. I'm working on that right now. But eventually this whole thing will be automated, and I won't even mess with it. It'll move to the time of the day, like this. Anyway, that's an update from your Uncle Don, baby. Solar panels, that's what I'm talking about. Anyway, have a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.